Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to clear all calls from Telegram's call log. By following these steps, you can easily remove your entire call history. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram. Launch the Telegram app on your device by tapping on its icon. Step 2. Tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner. Look for the 3 horizontal lines arranged vertically and tap on them. This will open the main menu. Step 3. Tap on Calls. Within the main menu, locate and tap on the Calls option. This will take you to the call history section. Step 4. Tap on the 3 stacked dots in the top right corner. In the call history section, you'll find the 3 stacked dots icon in the top right corner. Tap on it to reveal additional options. Step 5. Tap on Delete All Calls. From the options that appear, choose Delete All Calls to initiate the process of clearing your call history. Confirm the action if prompted. By following these simple steps, you can easily clear all calls from Telegram's call log and start with a fresh call history. This feature can be particularly useful if you want to maintain privacy or simply want to declutter your call log. We hope this comprehensive guide has been helpful in showing you how to clear all calls from Telegram's call log. If you found this video informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy a clean call history on Telegram.